Hi everybody, my name's Crystal.
And I'm Elvis.
And we're with Telco Plus Credit Union. And today's video is mortgage questions. And when mortgage loans are being scrutinized, what does that mean?
That's a good question. That's a very good question. So this is a very broad conversation topic because every mortgage loan is different. The way I'll underwrite a loan that you come in and ask for and the way that I'll underwrite a loan that another person comes in and asks for is different. The reason it's different because everybody has different financial portfolio and different financial, I'll say, characteristics. For example, different houses, different properties, different job history. So there's a lot. So remember we talked initially about the guidelines of underwriting, which would be your Fannie and your Freddie guidelines, or the internal Telco Plus Credit Union guidelines for underwriting loans. So some of them will require 2 years of history of employment. You only have one. They're going to stress you out about it to see if there's any gaps between your employment. If number two, or you don't have enough money to close, you have to show proof of funds, and there's a reserve, 3 months of reserve funds. It might be that you were saving money under your mattress, because I see that a lot. Yes. Members just come out with $20,000. Where you get that from? I was saving it at home. No, that money cannot be used because we cannot trace the source of that fund.
That's Homeland Security. That's not financial institutions.
That's why I advise every member that comes in here, make sure the money you put it in your bank account, because yes, you want to buy that house, that $20,000 cannot be used. You can't make this up. You can't. Right. And this is very serious. So there's so many reasons why your property might not appraise, and Fannie Mae. Let's look at FHA loans. FHA loans require you to put 3.5% down. So every bank, most banks or most loans, they will finance the sales price or the appraised value, whichever is lowest. Keyword, whichever is lowest. I'm selling you my house for $250,000. You only appraised for $125,000. They're gonna finance $125,000. Because that's the lowest. So if you still insist on getting that house, like most of our members do, I want to get that house. No, I'm not going to give you $200,000 for a house that is only valued at $125,000. So guess what? You have to bring $125,000 down first, and then you pay the 3% or the 3.5% requirement or whatever your down payment requirement is before we can finance it. Simple. Look for another property. Right. So those are some of the things that people think that their loan is being scrutinized. No, it's not. You have to fit within the requirement of that loan and the guidelines that is required for you to get that loan. Some people have bad credit, not so strong. I don't want to say bad because we can fix those things here anyway. Some people have not so strong credit. You might require a bigger down payment if your credit is not so strong and you don't pass the Fannie guidelines for FHA or the Fannie guidelines for USD or conventional. Then we have to look at different ways to make it work. So if you don't come here and have us help you get to where you're supposed to go, and so you can get to your goals easily and faster, you're going to say your loan is being scrutinized. But at Telco Plus Credit Union, we have professionals here to help you get there.
Right. Our credit counseling is free, and you should really take advantage of that because it saves you so much money in the long run. You have a lower interest rate. You have cheaper insurance. It really helps to repair your credit. So come talk to Elvis or any loan officer to repair your credit. And if you're ready for a mortgage, come see Elvis, or apply online at telcoplus.org. Everybody have a great day. Bye.
Thank you.